Alrighty, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing our second online lesson regarding what is chemistry. So for this assignment, you're going to be digging in deeper to what does chemistry mean, what does chemistry entail, and what are the different types of chemistry we're going to be studying this year. So you have a list of tasks you need to complete. If you notice here in the assignment list, there is some tasks up top that corresponds to both in-class and online learners. So online learners is specifically at the bottom though. It says you're still to complete the above tasks, however you won't be conversing with classmates. So let me elaborate on that a little bit. Your first task is to form a word web independently on what you know about chemistry. So a word web is something where you have your center word in the middle of chemistry and you make a branch off of that to include another word. And maybe off of that branch you have another word. I want you to make as big of a word web as you can with everything you know about chemistry. I want you to try to include at least 7 words, ideas, or concepts. You are going to skip section 2 because you are online, you're not going to be working with a partner. But after you complete your word web, I want you to form one cohesive sentence that encompasses what you think chemistry is. So what is your personal definition of chemistry? You can be completely wrong, you can be way out in right field, or you can be spot on, it doesn't matter. What you're going to do once you have that definition is you're going to go to our classroom Padlet. Online learners, you can choose any hour that you wish. So for this one, I'm just going to pretend we're going into our first hour class. When you go here, you're going to come to an online Padlet. If you haven't used Padlet before, it's basically just an online setting to make posts, and you can see all of your classmates' posts. So to add to this Padlet, you're going to click the plus button in the side, and then you can choose it. So I might title mine, What is Chemistry? And then I'm going to type my definition here. You don't have to include your name, you don't have to include anything like that. You can include a picture if you'd like, you can include a link. Please make sure you're posting appropriate things. You can change the picture, or the color, of your Padlet, and then you're just going to post it and so all your classmates can see it. Online learners, what you are going to do a little bit differently. Your assignment is to first, in the text entry below, you're going to submit your definition of chemistry. But with that, I don't want you to just, I still want you to coordinate and look over your classmates' ideas as well. So I want you to look at the Padlet and also explain why your idea is similar to that of some of the ideas that other classmates have and why it is different. One note about this, you won't be able to do this assignment until it is done in class as well. So if you go onto the Padlet and nothing has been posted yet from your classmates, you will have to wait a little bit before you can do that second step of explaining why your ideas are similar and why they are different. Per usual, please make sure that your ideas are in complete sentences, as that is important. In addition to submitting a text entry, make sure you also submit a picture of your word web you created. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Another note, you do have another task to complete today, so when you're completed with this task, you are going to move on to the next assignment, which I will explain in a separate video. Have fun!